Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Wanted to sort of document a content creator day in my life today because there's a lot happening. Just headed to an event right now in Lower Parel, and after that I have some postscript work to do, but then I have another event in the evening and I have some edits and some content creation to do in the day. So I thought that this would be the perfect time to actually document everything that I get up to, because along with going to the events, we also want to have a very productive day because we have a lot to do in between. So I want to take you guys along. Showed you guys some glimpses of my morning. I woke up at around 7:30. I also did end up going to the gym. I didn't vlog that because it's super chaotic in the mornings there. But I'm really trying, along with my work. I don't want my health or I don't want my workouts to get hampered because it's the most important thing to me. So I just got in like a 25-minute workout or 25-minute walk, but I'm just feeling so much better because I know for the rest of the day I'm just going to either be sitting in a car going to the event, because the event venue is literally an hour away from my house. First event and actually the second event itself, both are in that side of the town. One is in Mahalakshmi and one is in Worli. So in between I'm also going to do some cafe hopping. I'm also going to go to my cousin sister's house because she stays around as well, because it doesn't really make sense for me to come back all the way to this side of town because I stay at least 45 minutes to 1 hour away. So I literally have a ton of stuff with me right now. I have this huge bag which has all my work stuff like my laptops, my chargers. I also have Ziggy with me. He's sleeping like a baby right now, but I'm dropping him off at my mom's because I think he's not very well, so I don't want to leave him alone. He peed on our bed a couple of times, once 2 days ago and once today morning as well, and I know he doesn't really do that. So we've taken a doctor's appointment tomorrow to just check like if everything's okay, because apart from this he's been eating well, he's been playing a lot, so I don't know what's up, but I don't want to leave him alone for the whole day, so I'm just dropping him off to my mom's. I also have a huge suitcase ahead which literally has my second change for the evening. It has all my skincare, all my makeup, so I feel like I'm going on a field trip, but I'm actually just heading out for the day. नहीं, आई थिंक वो टर्फ है, रेस कोर्स सीधा आगे है, और आई थिंक
curl range, which recently we launched the curling gel, and
Okay.
then there's leave-in conditioner, shampoo conditioner,
one, yeah.
obviously, and then there's a mask.
Yeah.
This is your
Yeah, that's my
oil
favorite,
range.
yeah.
Yeah, that has the shampoo conditioner and the oil. It has a mask also.
I'm here at my cousin's house after the event because it's just, like I said, it's just 10 minutes from there. The event went off really well, but I really needed some coffee after all that food and all the dessert, because I hadn't even had coffee since morning. So I picked up a Starbucks on the way. I think personally I'm a fan of events where it's a sit down type of setting, because you guys saw how the tables were laid out, because I feel like it allows you to relax while still being able to talk to people, but it's still more intimate and private. I'm not a big fan of events where people are just like walking around. I mean, I understand the need of that, but I think such events are more my jam. But I had a lot of fun. We had some really good food as well, some sushi, some pizzas and some pasta. I also want to show you guys what I got as a goodie bag from the event. The new launch is the Bond Repair range, so I got a hair mask. I also got a shampoo and conditioner. I'm really excited to use these. They also did like a sort of experiment while we were there. They showed these similar sort of bonds that are present in your hair, and they put this damaging solution on it with and without the bond repair, and they showed us how without the bond repair it sort of just dismantles and disintegrates, but with this of course it doesn't. So I'm super excited to try this. I don't think I do a lot of experimentation with my hair care because my hair is pretty scanty, so I like it. So I sort of like to maintain a routine, but I do trust Love Beauty products a lot. I've used them over the years. I do use their onion hair oil regularly, so I genuinely trust this brand. The brand is from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. I want to do a scheduled work session because I have a lot of emails, a lot of editing to do. I need to catch up with my postscript team because I haven't been able to do any of that in the morning, obviously, right? So going to do that. I also want to get ahead on some editing. I also want to upload a YouTube video today that I've shot a couple of weeks back. So it's going to be a proper packed afternoon. I've also eaten lunch, so I don't really need to take a lunch break. It's just me alone right now. My sister's not even here. She's in office, so I'm just going to chill and get some work done. So I'm going to show you guys my work view today from my cousin's house. Isn't that stunning? The theme for today was also pastels, which is why I'm wearing this green shirt and these pink shorts, and also did a little pink and glitter on my eyes. I don't know if you can see. I'm not generally very experimental, but as soon as they said pastels, I got very excited. And the funny thing is, the event that I'm going for again in the evening is fully different because it's going to be a more evening scene. It's going to be pretty luxe, basically a fully different vibe from the morning, so I'm pretty excited for that. But I'm going to stop procrastinating now and get to work because I have a shit ton to do. I'm about to get ready and I wanted to show you guys the amount of stuff that I've literally carried today. These are all my chargers. This is my entire makeup bag because the one thing that I absolutely hate is applying makeup on top of makeup. So I'm going to fully cleanse my face and properly apply makeup again. This is some skincare. This is the bag that I'm carrying tonight. This is of course my clothes for tonight. Then I have some perfume, chargers, and like a lot of random things here. I also had to remove my lenses because I don't know if you guys can see, but my eyes started getting really red. It's funny because I can't actually feel it burning or it's not bothering me, but I don't know what the issue is. So if this persists, I might have to go see a doctor again. I genuinely hope I don't have an eye infection or anything and it's just something to do with, you know, maybe my lenses. So we'll see. Honestly, the socially awkward person in me is already feeling like one event for the day was enough, and why did I agree to go to two? But I know that once I reach there, I'm gonna have such a good time. But that's just me being like, I just want to go home. I want to go home to my cat. I want to go home to my room. But I think I really do need to push myself out of my comfort zone a little bit. I can't just be saying no to every event and every opportunity just because I'm a little awkward. So I'm gonna go, have a good time, get dressed, and just have a good night. I got back home from the event and realized I didn't even get to show you guys my outfit before. So I'm wearing this red checkered blazer. This is from Volta. This skirt, it's from Zara, and the shoes are from Zara too. I wanted to wear something slightly dressier today because of course the event was like that, but it was a fun day, it was a fun event. I'm so happy that I pushed myself to actually go out and do this. Of course I'm super tired now and I think my social battery is dead. I'm still so thankful that I actually got to go and, you know, try out the new products from these brands and get to meet people from the industry as well. I also got a couple of really cool things from Givenchy. I really want to show you guys. Okay, this is everything. The first thing, I think this is the coolest. So we got these customized bats. So I customized it to PSG, of course. I think it's pretty cool. Of course, we're not going to ever play with this because it's white and it's too pretty. This is their Prep and Set Glow Mist. I actually did end up trying this at the event. It's really stunning. I love the finish that this gives. This is their blush, their loose powder, their lip balm, and I think this is a perfume. But thank you so much for having me. I can't wait to try all of this. I'm gonna end this vlog here, but thank you for watching. I genuinely didn't feel like I was alone today all day attending all these events because I was vlogging through the day. So I had a blast and I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.